Hello, today we will guide you through how to use IC Markets MT5. In this walkthrough, we'll connect your IC Markets trading account to the MetaTrader 5 platform, often called MT5. This process is straightforward, but it's important to enter the account details carefully so everything connects correctly the first time. To begin, go to the Secure Client area for your IC Markets account. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Accounts. This is where you can view the trading accounts connected to your profile and access the information needed to log in through MT5. From the Accounts section, locate the account you want to use. Here, you'll need to copy the account ID and the password associated with that trading account. Make sure you're copying the correct login details for the exact account you plan to connect. It's a good idea to keep this information private and avoid sharing it or displaying it unnecessarily while setting things up. Next, copy the server name listed for that account. The server is an essential part of the login process because it tells MetaTrader 5 exactly where your account is hosted. If the wrong server is entered, the platform may not be able to find or connect to your account, even if the login details are correct. Now open the MetaTrader 5 application on your computer. Once the platform is open, go to the top left corner and click on File. In the menu that appears, select Open an Account. This option allows you to search for your broker's server and begin linking your account to the platform. When the account window opens, paste the server name you copied earlier into the server search field. After that, wait for the matching result to appear, then click on the result that matches your server. Choosing the correct result is important, so take a moment to confirm it matches what you copied from the client area. After selecting the server, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Paste in the account ID and password you copied earlier. Double-check both entries before continuing, especially if you copied and pasted from another window, since even a small mistake can prevent the login from working. Once those details are entered, MT5 should be able to connect your trading account. If anything doesn't work, the most common issues are an incorrect server, the wrong password, or using details from a different account. That's it. You've now gone through the process of using IC Markets with MT5 and connecting your account on the platform.